Hello, friends, and welcome back. Today, join me as I share with you the wonder and beauty of living in harmony with nature here in the Colorado Rocky Mountains. I will also share the challenges of the first days at the cabin when everything is a dusty, dirty mess after having been closed up for 7 months. It's time to do some spring cleaning and decluttering with the help of some books I found at the library by Marie Kondo and Dana K. White. They're helping me along my spring cleaning and decluttering journey. I hope by sharing my journey with you, you too will feel inspired to do a bit of spring cleaning and decluttering yourself. So sit back, relax, and keep on watching. It's early spring, and this is what my garden patio looks like right now. I need to deal with a problem of decluttering in my room, cleaning up. It's a mess. And this is after I've already done some work on it. Can you believe it? Like all this junk on top of the dresser. And I've got a cold that I'm dealing with as well. So, yeah, it was even worse than this before I started. And it's just like stuff is stacked up on the floors and everywhere. Makes it hard to function. Okay, so I spent the whole day cleaning. Whew, it is definitely an improvement. And my cold is also improving. Alright, so I still have to take out the trash. Still got stuff cluttering up my dresser top. But you can see things are a lot more cleaned up and decluttered. I also have to launder the bedding, so haven't bothered to make the bed. But, oh, that dresser drawer needs to be fixed. That's why I set it aside there, so it can get fixed. And then in here I've still got some piles of stuff that I brought in with me that need to find a place to live. I'm probably going to have to still do some major decluttering so I can find space for new things. Still cleaning. It's a constant job here, living so close to nature. But things are definitely improving slowly but surely. They're getting cleaner, a little bit less cluttered every day. And see how the guest bedroom looks. It it's got some clutter in it too because, I just didn't know where to put this stuff, so I just put it in here for now. But eventually I'll clean this room too. And I did all the vacuuming and the dusting. I still need to wash the windows, do the laundry, and take out the trash, and do the decluttering, and then we'll be done.